Weather Association. Weather from where you live.
Well, I'm tracking two Alberta clippers that will bring snow to the area. Notice some snow here to the west. That's the first one. It is rather weak. And then we have the second one here in the Pacific Northwest that'll move into southern Alberta, dive southeastward, and this will bring accumulating snow by Tuesday. The first one, again, the weak one. You can see some light snow here lining up to our west. This will approach. We'll have some snow that will pass tonight and into tomorrow, especially the early half of the day, with some very minor accumulation that may coat and kind of dust the roads once again. And then certainly looks like more snow as we get into Tuesday. In the meantime, though, on our wind cam here, the snow's on the ground. It's very, very cold, and the clouds are beginning to thicken as that little weak clipper approaches, but the temperature continues to drop as that sun angle gets lower in the sky this evening. It's 7 at Fowler, Lafayette, and Frankfort, 8 at Monticello, 5 at Perrysville, and the warm spot actually Morocco at 10. Now, we're likely going to drop into the lower single digits for a while this evening, but then as the clipper approaches and the wind turns to the southwest, the temperature will actually start to rise a little bit, and we'll be up to 8 by 11 with a little bit of light snow beginning to move in to the viewing area. So again, rising temperatures as we get into the overnight. We'll probably hit our high tomorrow around noon, then fall again later on in the day with some of that light snow. Wind not an issue with this, but as we get into early next week, more snow, and there could be some wind with that, and more snow as we get towards next Friday. There's 8 o'clock this evening. Clouds continuing to thicken, temperatures starting to rise. There's 2 a.m., and finally as we get into the overnight here, you can see some of that light snow passing through. That's 6 a.m. and even into 9 a.m. tomorrow morning, some light snow. Now, I think a good bulk of this will pass through the early half of the day, but I still can't rule out at least a few flurries, perhaps a few snow showers trying to hang on into the afternoon hours. And then tomorrow night, we could even see a little lake effect here in the northeast with some very minor accumulation there. And Sunday's looking good right now. Partly cloudy skies, not even any lake effect, but still cold temperatures. Snowcast for tonight and through tomorrow. Notice not much, but this will be enough to coat the roads again, slicken things a little. About a ½ inch in Lafayette and Frankfort, a little less than that at Thorntown, 0.6 Monticello, 0.7 Rensselaer, Rochester, and Peru. And then Tuesday, we've got a clipper that'll pass through. And this is the early preliminary snow forecast. Notice Monticello to about Logansport and Peru Points North, 1 inch or less, 1 to 2 inches Lafayette, Frankfort, Burlington, Atlanta, down towards Attica, and the heaviest totals will be Ladoga, it looks like, down towards Waveland and also Petersburg, where 2 to 3 inches could fall. Again, that would be on Tuesday. And the wind will likely start to kick up as that system departs, so there could be a little blowing and drifting. Some light snow moving in tonight, but then the temperature rising after 8:30, so we'll drop to 2, but we'll be up to 8 by 11 o'clock. Some light snow tomorrow. We'll hit a high of 22 close to midday, and then fall during the afternoon. In fact, we could be around 12, 13 by evening. Winds turning the west and eventually the northwest, and a good bulk of that light snow will be in the early half of the day. Notice Sunday's okay, not even any lake effect, just a partly cloudy day, cold at 21. Partly cloudy on Monday. There's the snow for Tuesday. A little warmer at 29. The good thing is when it gets to 29 when it snows, road chemicals work a lot better. And some scattered snow showers Wednesday. Then we get a break, and we could have a little more snow in the forecast for Friday. And then it will likely turn to actually sharply colder again. We could have highs only in the upper teens by next week. And so the long, cold, snowy winter continues, Gina. And there's no sign of any big warm-up or any break in the pattern anytime soon.
So we just need